itu. Okay.
Stop snoring. Stop snoring. Grandpa is snoring really loud.
Loudly.
Loudly.
Billy and Blake
will wake him up. They
Shh, long A.
shake Grandpa's shoulder. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They squeeze Grandpa's nose. Grandpa keeps snoring. They tickle Grandpa's feet. Grandpa
keeps
on snoring. They play Grandpa's instruments. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They
spin
Grandpa's chair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They dance to Grandpa's music. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They style Grandpa's hair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Billy and Black are too tired. They sleep on Grandpa's floor. Grandpa wakes up. Who snores so loudly? He asks. They children.
Good job.
Yeah. Because they try waking up Grandpa and they are very tired.
Billy, Blake, and Grandpa are in this story, setting, characters, plot.
Circus.
Huh?
Circus.
Yes. Okay.
Where does this story take place?
Where?
At Grandpa's house, at Billy's house, at a hotel.
Where?
At Grandpa's.
No.
At Grandpa's.
Why did the author write this book? To persuade readers, to take note, to inform readers about, to entertain readers with a funny story.
Entertain, okay?
What happens after Billy and Blake style Grandpa's hair? They dance to Grandpa's music.
They dance.
They spin Grandpa's chair. They sleep on Grandpa's floor.
No.
Dance.
Dancer?
Dance.
Really?
Which
Dance or
word
spin.
means
Spin
brings another
is
out of sleep?
which one is spin?
Which word means brings another out of sleep?
Out of sleep.
Wakes, snores, dances.
Noise.
Now brings another out of sleep.
Noise.
No, out of sleep.
Yay!
Practice makes perfect.
No. You
Practice
Click on the
makes
items with the
perfect.
red X and find
Kidding.
a better answer to improve
No,
your score
revise
and earn
your
more
answer.
stars. Use
Otherwise,
the
you
quiz
don't
to
have
take the quiz
150
to help you find the best
points.
answer. When finished, click Done.
What happens after Billy, they dance to Grandpa's music?
You can
They
check
spin Grandpa's chair.
if you are not sure.
What happens after Billy and Blake style Grandpa's hair?
Next.
Which word means brings another? Great job.
Oh,
You passed.
still one wrong answer.
Click on the items with the